Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep or while you're on vacation? Most people think starting a business means endless work and stress, but what if you could build a business that runs itself? The secret is automation. It lets you build an income stream without dedicating your life to it. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business model thousands use right now. Imagine a system that finds products, lists them, and ships them to your customers, without you touching a thing. This is about building a system, not another job. Today, I'll show you how to start an online store that needs very little of your time. You can do this from anywhere, home, a coffee shop, or even the beach. It's about getting your time back and letting technology work for you. Ready to learn the laziest, smartest way to build a business? Let's get into it. Hit that like button if you're excited. Here's how it works. So, what is this business model? It's called dropshipping, selling products you don't own. How does that work? You find a product from a supplier, list it on eBay for a higher price, and when someone buys, you order it for them. So I never touch the product? Exactly. The supplier ships directly to your customer. You pocket the difference. Sounds easy, but isn't that a lot of work? It used to be. But now, automation software does the heavy lifting. Like what? Tools like AutoDS find products, create listings, and even place orders for you. So it's really hands-off? Yes. That's what makes it the ultimate lazy business. No inventory, no shipping, no hassle, just profits and freedom. I'm in. AutoDS is your business on autopilot. It finds winning products for you. No more endless scrolling. Once you pick products, AutoDS grabs all the info and creates eBay listings in seconds, hundreds of products, listed in minutes. If your supplier changes price or stock, AutoDS updates your listings automatically. No more losing money or selling out-of-stock items. When you get a sale, AutoDS places the order and uploads tracking info. No manual work. You literally do nothing. The robot handles it all. Your only job, check in, see what's selling, and let the system do the rest. It's the laziest way to run a business. Automation means more time for you, and more money, with less effort. That's the power of AutoDS. Here's your simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Create a free eBay seller account. eBay has millions of buyers, so you don't need to pay for ads. Step 2. Sign up for AutoDS. It's your automation robot. It's a small investment for a tool that does almost all the work. Step 3. Connect AutoDS to your eBay account. Inside AutoDS, just click Add Store and follow the prompts. Now you can import products with one click. Your automated business is ready. Let the system work while you focus on living your life. Check in occasionally, but most of the work is done for you. It's that easy. No tech skills needed. Anyone can do this. Start today and watch your business run itself. How much can you make? Let's do the math. List 500 products. If just 1% sell daily, that's 5 sales a day. At $5 profit per sale, that's $25 a day, $750 a month, and you barely lift a finger. Scale up to 1,000 products, and your profits can double. Find better products and your earnings grow even faster. The system handles the work, no matter how big you get. Your job, check in, find what's selling, and let the robot do the rest. This is true freedom. Work from anywhere, anytime. Build a real asset that earns while you live your life. For just a few dollars and a few hours, you can have a fully automated business. The laziest way to financial freedom is here. Start now and let automation work for you.